Everyone using their high beam, man. So fucking annoying. Okay, what is high beam? High beam is this blue light on the display. Is this blue light, right? This blue light. And how you're supposed to use it is that when you see other people coming, right? Do not use it. When you see other people coming from the opposite direction, you should not use it. Whenever you see any vehicle coming from the opposite direction. Now you see, there's nobody in front of me. I can use it. I can use it again. I can use it again here to tell people that I'm coming, you know? And in any turns, you don't need to hit the horn. You should just hit the brake. And that way, like, you know, it's quiet, it's nice, you know. And see, okay, I went off topic, but anyway, here you can use your high beam constantly when there's nobody coming from the opposite side, right? These people are also walking the same way that I'm going. So you see there's a okay, never mind. See, as soon as you see somebody coming from the opposite direction, whether they're in a vehicle or they're just walking, you know, you need to turn your high beam off.